Hey, everybody, and welcome back to Austin Startup Week. Really excited to have you here this morning. We have an awesome track that you guys are just going to love. This is the Startup legal considerations, how to spot pitfalls and maximize value. We have 3 awesome sessions that are focused on legal considerations that you should consider as a small business. We also have networking sessions throughout the day so that you can meet your fellow attendees. Before we get started, I want to introduce myself and tell you why I am so excited to be a part of Austin Startup Week, not just today, but all week. My name's Sean Duffy, and I'm the VP of Partnerships for Capital Factory. This is, I think, maybe my 8th Startup Week that I've been a part of. As soon as I got here in Austin, Texas, found out about Austin Startup Week, and this is the best way to meet people and network. And even though this year we're doing it virtually, there are still really, really awesome ways to get to know your fellow attendees. And on top of that, learn a ton about all the different topics that matter most to you as a startup founder, as a startup employee, or as somebody who is just out there in the tech community looking to do something really, really cool.